Hello family, it's AjiseGraphik here, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be walking us through the process of creating this amazing text effects. Yeah, it's Valentine's Day, so we had to create a love text effect. You get the gist. Okay, so I'm just going to walk us through the process, just a 3-layer text effect. So we're going to be doing it together in the next few minutes. So let's join in. I'm just going to type on this and tap this and everything clears. Okay, so the first thing I do is to change the size, the background size. Just tap on the fourth icon, go to image size, tap on this, then I use the YouTube thumbnail size. Yeah, so the next is work on work on the background color. Tap on the color, then the color code for the background color is, just tap on the plus icon, is a single color. So then tap on this, and so the color code is FFCC. Please, I want you to pay rapt attention to the color codes. That's the only way you can be able to perfect it. So just pay attention to the color codes. So we have FFCC, CCCB. So that's the color code for the background color. And the next thing we are going to do is to bring in our text. Go to the A icon and just type in the text. Then we just increase the size. Just going to put love. Okay, so I just keep this here. Then I go to my fonts. Then I search for a particular font. So then the name of the font I'm going to be using is Water Gallon. This is the name of the font, Water Gallon. Yes. So the next thing I'll do is just to go to spacing and reduce the spacing to -5. -5. Okay, then I increase the size. Okay, if you notice, this part here has been chopped off. So when you have issues like that, you can do two things. Either you click on the text and you just add space, or come to padding and just touch the right padding. You can see it has cleared off. You can see, I'm sure you get it. So I'm just going to increase the size to, okay, just 2. Let's work with let's see what's it. I want something bigger. Okay, this 280 is fine. 280. Then you centralize vertical, horizontal. So the next thing to do is to go to your color, then use the gradients color, and then tap on the plus icon, then tap on this. Yes, then we're going to be working with we have 6 gradient styles here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to be working with the second one. That's the one that works with mostly text effects to give you that perfect color. Then you tap on the plus icon. Thank you, Jesus. So you press this and you type in the color code. So the color code for this is FFC7 C7CA. I'm going to copy the color code because we're going to be replicating the color codes as time goes on. So we have this. Okay, then we bring this here, then we type in another color code. So the color code for this is FF3 3E43. Then we need to copy the color code also. So let's copy the color code. Okay, okay, so okay, so let's just work with this, and we have this. So now what I'm going to do is just to be adding, then bring this here, then you put in the first color code. Just go to your clipboard, then you put in the first color code, which is this. Then you have this. So then you add again, then you bring this here, put in the second color code this time around. Add again. We're going to work with the first color code now. So the second color code now. I'm sure we get it. So the second color code, which is FF3E43. You just need to just pay attention to this. So just work in the first again. So that way, once you split it that way, you are able to get a perfect color. So we are almost done. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we are going to 9. Okay, we are putting the what's it called? The second color code, yeah. This, right? Hope I'm right. Okay. Okay, yes. Then lastly, we just add and just bring this over here. Then add the first. Oh no, not add anything. Delete this. Sorry. So we're just going to add the light part of the color code. That's the first color code. So now, what you now have to do is just to start adjusting them properly. Just adjust them properly. Just adjust them properly. You see, it's a 9 layer gradient. So this is it. And okay, I'm still seeing that we have much more here. So we adjust. I think I like the and we adjust. Okay, then we check mark. Okay, so this is it. Now after doing this, the next thing to do is to go to your shadow, then turn on your shadow. Now we're not going to work in the black color, we're going to work in with the subtle red. So just come here. The color code for the shadow is BF 4357. Please, I want you to take your pen and write this down. In doing this, you get the perfect color code. So the blur radius for the shadow is 15, and I'm going to offset x by 5, offset x by 5, and offset y by 15 to get the perfect fit for this. Yeah, and we are good with this. The next thing is to go to your stroke, turn on your stroke. Now we're going to work with the gradient color. So this is the particular what's it called we used. So what you do, tap on it, then tap on the plus icon, then reverse it using this tool here. Look at my hand, where my hand is, this tool over here. You can see this tool that shows flip up forward. So we're going to flip it. Yes, that's what we're just going to do. Can you see? Look at what it's giving us. That's the aim of flipping it. So I'm going to leave it at the stroke width at 10. After doing that, go to your 3D text, turn it on, and enable simulate lighting. Oh, I'm sorry. So why we turn off simulate lighting is because when for Android 10 and above, Pixellab have some little glitches. So you turn off simulate lighting to get your part, because if you don't turn it off, you will have issues when exporting. So that's it. So that's that for that. Then you come to X rotation and you rotate x by +2 and rotate y by -2. Why am I doing this? Is because I'm using perspective view, and you work with a depth of 6. Work with a depth of 6. Then after working a depth of the depth color is going to be the same gradient color that was used. Then remove the darken. Darken is going to be 0. Okay, I think we're done with this. So you can make use of oblique, but I just decided to just work with, and you play with the angles and work with the angle, but I just decided to work with what's it called, perspective, because it gives me the feel I want. I'm sure you get the gist. So that's that. Then copy this out, then disengage everything. You put the 3D, the shadow, disengage everything. Okay, turn off the stroke also. Then we're left with only color. So this time around, what we're going to do is to go to the color. So tap on the icon. So you can do it two ways. Just delete everything till it remains only two colors, like only this. Then you just bring it here and bring it here. While I'm doing this, I don't want to take time again and start putting in the color code. So this can still work. I'm sure you get it. So that is that. Yes, exactly. So this is it. This is it. Then you just adjust. So you can just adjust and dress. So if the way you brought it in, like this red is too much, you can bring it down again and take this up a little bit or bring it down. Just exact. I think I'm good with this. So then lastly, just copy this again. Copy this. Then this time around, go to your color, tap the color and click on plus icon. Then just come to transparent, make it transparent. Then click on the plus icon and check mark it. So we have that. Then go to your stroke, just make a stroke and go to gradients. Make use of the gradient that this um gradient you use for the color. Then just work with the stroke width of 2 or 3. Let's see what 2 give us first. Then we go to inner shadow. Turn on your inner shadow. Then make use of white color. Come here, just go to white. Yeah. So leave the blur radius at 3. So the what we're going to use for once you leave the blur radius at 3, then offset x by -2. -2. Now this is to give you the embossed feel, and offset y. Then bring this here and we get what we want. Okay. Wow. So I think I love this. I don't know about you. So just come here, then centralize. Okay, I think we're good. Then just in the next 2 minutes, let me just put um so it's actually 100% editable. 100% editable. And then do is to go to this. Then which color do we use now? So let me just use this. Yeah. So the color code for this is just BF4357. In case if you need it to do the same thing. Okay, so I copy this and just put this here. Okay, so designed by AjiseGraphik. Okay, so we are done. So just centralize this. Okay, and centralize this also. Can you see how perfect this is? Oh wow, I love this. I sincerely love this. So please, I want us to subscribe to this YouTube channel because you'll be getting more videos like this, videos that are going to help you in your design career. Thank you very much. I remain Ajibade, and stay tuned, turn on your notification bell. You are going to be getting much more videos like this. See you in the next video. God bless you.